Hey guys, I'm back with another video and today we're going to be making some resin earrings. What you're going to need some UV resin. I'm using the same one that we did in my last video where we made some resin rings. You can check that out in my link down below. Next, what you're gonna need some molds for your earrings. You can get them pretty much almost anywhere. Michael's, Hobby Lobby, Amazon, some small businesses on Etsy. There's lots of them that I like to purchase them from. Next, what you're gonna need anything that you wanna decorate with your earrings with, like gold flakes, color, anything like that. You can personalize it, make it anything of your own, however you want to do it. All right, guys, that seems about everything. So let's get started. Boom, just easy like that. I think they're so cute. And these are how these ones came out. I think they both came out super, super cute, very pigmented and super cute. And you can customize these with any color, any pigment, any of them. And you can also do the flakes or glitter or anything you guys want. I think they came out so cute. Date night or whatever you guys want, even to work or just around the house or whatever you want. They're perfect and they're sturdy. And I think they came out so cute. I can't wait to wear them. Alright guys, that's gonna be the end of my video. Thank you guys so much for watching and I appreciate it. Hope to see you in the next one. Have a good day. Bye!